The times duet a video, repost a video, share a video are very common on social media. So I was like, what about recycle a video? Yeah, you also say, what do you mean recycle a video? Yes, recycle a video. I was going through my archives and I saw this video from 2023, my own video, and I was like, what about if I redo it and then post it? It's my video, so people repost videos. So what about me recycling the video and posting the video? And you know, today being a picnic day, people are going out for picnics. I have nowhere to go. Yeah, but I said, okay, so I have nowhere to go, but I will just recycle this video of a hiking that we did. It's more or less like picnic. So we went on expedition to the Tongo hills, and it was a nice experience. Before you watch that video, I want you to support me by clicking on the like button and subscribing to my channel, my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share. If you're on TikTok, please comment, like, and share, and follow my account. Please go to my Facebook and follow my Facebook page. Go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube. So this is a video. Watch and let me know what you think about it. Please make sure you comment, like, share.
I said this one day, like in YFC, I'm a problem. So what were the two of you doing? I just want
So this is just when the hiking actually started, and we were just walking around and enjoying the beauty of nature. As you watch the video, there's something that you would notice. Just look at the vegetation. You see that this side is dry. There's another side of the hills, or let me say the place, that you see green grass. Maybe the scientists will be able to explain how that is, but this was the dry season when we went there. The place is just so beautiful. God is great. You guys, you need to also visit this place. It's a very scenery, serene, beautiful place for picnics. And please don't forget, I need your likes. I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to follow my Facebook page. Please comment, like, and share. By the way, this wasn't the Easter season that we went there, but I just felt that this video is appropriate for today. Thank you.
Princess, you sleep for 8 hours. Now you say come about this. You say shit, every hour was this. That's true.
So how do you find the experience?
Oh, it's lovely, seriously. I would have missed a lot if I stayed home.
Wow.
I'm so happy I'm a part of this. I'm so happy. Those who organize this program, they are the best.
What would you tell other people who have not been able to?
Next time when they hear about this, they should definitely come. They should make it here because it's just fun. And it helps you to relieve stress. So that's what I would say.
My grandfather they chop fufu for the cave over there. So
For this place?
Charlie, come back.
Moses, Abila
I believe.
Oh, it's fun and exciting. This is my first time.
Yeah.
And I'm happy.
Yeah.
Baby, watch the camera.
Tourist sites, and I think government and then other stakeholders should get involved, because when people come to the north, they know of the crocodile food and then all that, but I'm sure many of them don't know, even
Yes.
there's something like that. So I think the government should invest in it.
You are from?
So I was born and raised up in Germany, but my
Okay.
family is from Spain.
Yes.
And the past 2 or 3 years I was living in Spain too.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you find this hiking experience?
I'm volunteering right now with Future for Africa
Okay.
with Samuel. Some months ago I just saw the opportunity to be here in Bolgatanga for 1 month.
Yes.
And then I decided to join them to see how I can support a little bit. And yeah, he asked me if I want to join you, and
Yes.
therefore I was happy. Yeah.
Different climate, the sun is hot. Do you think it's a worthwhile experience?
Yes, yes.
a
So
wet vibe.
I live in Spain and there is hot too, but because of the sea you have also some wine, you know.
Yeah.
So it's really, really hot.
Yes.
But it's a great experience. So the landscape is totally different as in Spain, and therefore
Yeah.
I enjoy a lot. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Tongo to the world. Tongo to the world.
Oh my God.
Yes, we are top, man.
Look at the view.
We are top, man.
Nabila. Minang mayroon yung malam nga kawar. Ela magkasa. Ela
Yeah, I just came to. I just reached this side now. As I have.
Okay, Charlie, it's like 1 in a million. So we climb more rocks than we did the previous one. It's fun. Okay, we get to meet you.
I would have one down.
Get to meet people.
Myself,
Yes.
my name is Rosa Maria Bruguet.
Rosa Maria.
Bruguet. I'm coming from Spain, from Barcelona. I am now in Tongo, in the university, teaching some seminars in project management and innovation management. The acronym.
Yes.
So it's very interesting. And today I realized there is a group gathering here to visit the Tongo Hills.
Yes.
And I didn't know anybody before, but I made a lot of connections today
Yes.
with a very interesting people.
Yes.
So I am very happy to be here, and I like to grateful the organizers. It has been great. I'm just make a small suggestion about the time because I was at 6 sharp.
Yes.
But okay, I know sometimes